11:56 a.m. and we are
Going to Disney.
going to Disney.
Going in Magic Kingdom.
So it is October 11th, I think, and that means Disney is set up for Halloween. So last night we watched the fireworks from our resort, and today we're going to Magic Kingdom and we're checking out all the cool Halloween setup, theme type stuff.
Yeah, Ethan's never seen it for Halloween, so we're excited.
Alright,
So hot.
It's very hot, but when we come to Epcot, we go to Morocco because they have the best drinks. And this place is the best. It's called Spice Road Table, and you can walk right into the bar instead of sitting down to eat. And that's what we're doing. We're about to do that.
Dying of heat. I'm going home. I'm gonna dunk myself underwater in the pool. I'm gonna go down the slide. I don't even care if I look like a kid. We're going to the pool and we're gonna stay there.
Nothing like today is tomorrow. For your safety,
What time is it?
11, almost 11:50.
11:50 after hours.
No one's here.
Yeah, literally like nobody's here. Everything's walk on. On our way to Hollywood.
On our way to Hollywood.
Nobody's here. We're waiting for the bus.
Yes.
I don't want to do it.
I should take it.
I'm terrible. Ariel?
Yeah. What's the movie called?
Little Mermaid.
Yeah.
Down?
Yeah.
Honey. He's looking for honey.
Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Oh, your favorite character?
Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
Tiki Room, Enchanted Tiki Room, Adventureland.
Oh, Cinderella lost
A slipper.
Yeah.
Moana.
No, Aladdin flies.
A magic carpet ride.
Oh, we love it. You were saying whip.
Dole Whip. Dole Whip. Off with your head, the Queen of Hearts. Off with your head, the Queen of Hearts. Off with your head, the Queen of Hearts.
Chipmunks.
Chip and Dale.
Yeah.
Not today world. It's
Tomorrow World. Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland.
Kisses them and turns into an object. Not an object.
The Princess and the Frog.
Yeah.
Squirt.
Yeah, I was like, I'm a little.
We're in Star Wars land.
We're gonna try to.
If you're here, you have to get the blue milk.
Yes.
Not the green milk. The green milk is disgusting.
Agreed.
Always get the blue.
We're about to head to Rise of the Resistance to hopefully try to get on. The wait is about 85 minutes right now. We have dinner in about an hour.
But Rise of the Resistance, it's worth it.
Oh, it's worth it, but we also want to make dinner, so hopefully we can make to both.
he's freaking out. He's like,
Little guy is stuck up here.
Hey, buddy,
Look how high up he is.
stories up here. How did you do that?
he has suctions on his feet, right?
Hey, he's a tree frog.
Yeah.
Scanning in. Waiting for Ethan to scan in. It's a slow poke.
Epcot Day 2.
We're going to ride Guardians again because it is literally the best ride so far.
Sage wouldn't let me get the lightning lane so we could ride it a second time today, but
Because the lightning lane is not worth it. All right, so where is this? Australia?
this is Australia.
What
Shrimp
is
on
it?
the babby. It's I don't know actually what is it? What is it? Shrimp?
Yeah. Shrimp.
It's shrimp.
Oh, good.
This is Canada. Second stop. These are the fillets.
With truffle butter sauce.
I'm giving it an 8.
A 9?
Yeah, I like that a lot. I mean, if you're looking for a steak, that is
Can I
so
have that, please?
tender.
So we are on our way to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna watch the fireworks show. It's definitely not as good as Happily Ever After, but Happily Ever After is coming back in the spring. I have a bubble braid for the first time ever.
Don't know what that is.
It's like this little...
Oh, it's cute. Mm-hmm. I don't have a bubble braid. I just have a hat. That's
Looks
what we're
good.
rocking today. So, let's do it. So we are lining up for the Enchantment show at Magic Kingdom at 9 p.m. and it is a Saturday and it is really busy right now. So we're actually here. It starts at 9 and we're here at 7, almost 15. So we still have an hour and 45 minutes until the show. But we're here, we scoped it out and we've got a pretty good view of the castle. We're right by this yellow line where people have to walk. So they can't stand, which is exactly what you want. So you want to back up yourself against that or like a gate or something to watch a show so you can make a quick escape afterwards because it's a madhouse.
We'll just keep hitting me. You're okay.
Yikes! So here's the situation. Here's the situation. We're now an hour from showtime. We've been here for about 45 minutes and now it is jam-packed. As you can see behind me, it's wild. And this is what it's like every time.
We are currently walking to Magic Kingdom. We know where we're going. Well, me, Mariah, and my mom all know where we're going. The two girls do not know.
We turned 16. And we are going to Castle for breakfast with Aunt Jess. That's so cool. Yeah.
I'm so excited. Ethan's living his best life with his pumpkin cold brew from Starbucks.
I'm a coffee connoisseur, but when we don't have good coffee around us, I will accept Starbucks and the fall drinks and just bite the bullet.
He's basic.
Yeah. When it comes to Starbucks, I'm a basic white girl, for sure.
So they think that the monorail may have gotten struck by lightning, so it's currently down, and we're just waiting for a bus.